The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
When the power in your home goes out, here are some tips for how to heat a space without electricity. First, be sure to act quickly to keep as much heat inside the room as possible. Shut any open windows and doors. Try to prevent heat escaping by closing your blinds and curtains. It's also helpful to close off other rooms except the one where you're staying to keep the heat centralized to one area. Make sure you have a working carbon monoxide detector to be safe. Next, if you have a fireplace, get it going since they rely on natural convection. Sealed or high-efficiency fireplaces can distribute evenly heated air. Combustion heaters are great options that use propane instead of electricity, or kerosene radiant heaters are alternatives that don't use electricity or gas. Lastly, you can use water as a heating solution by creating heated steam.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.